Hi there, it's Mark Carlson here. So this video, 3 steps to transform your sabotaging patterns. So the sabotaging patterns are the things that you do that don't work, that you keep doing. And so the first step is to have the awareness, enough awareness to see, gosh, this keeps happening and I can see myself doing it. Now, in my own case, that's happened many times where I see it, but I keep continuing the pattern, and then what happens is I end up judging myself because I keep doing it. Now, this is step number 2, and it's so powerfully important. And step number 2 is to see the pattern, but without the judgment. You must take the judgment off. Otherwise, it's the judgment that keeps us doing the pattern, because there's no room for it to change, because the judgment says it's wrong and it can't move. So there's a conflict of energies inside of us. There's the pattern that plays, and there's the judgment that says you're doing something wrong. So there's something wrong with you, and by judging it, we keep the pattern in place. So we've got to see from above the pattern and recognize this pattern is only playing us to ensure that we learn what we came here to learn. So that's the reason for all of the sabotaging patterns, because it's in the healing of the sabotaging pattern that we get to experience and learn what the soul came here to learn. We get the expansion, the very expansion that we were supposed to get. So the pattern is our guiding light. It's our unconscious guidance that's taking us to our greatness. So to judge the pattern is futile because it's actually helping us. The sabotaging pattern is there to assist us in healing it, in doing the work necessary to free ourselves from it, so that then we learn the lesson we've got to learn. So we must take the judgment off. There, I did it again. Never mind, mate, it's okay. I'll let myself be that. And when we take the judgment off, what happens is we get enough awareness then to see the whole thing. We look with compassion. You see, there's a huge difference. And when we look with compassion, we can then move into step number 3, which is make a different decision and take different actions that will then create a freedom from that pattern, a new positive pattern in the context of whatever the sabotaging pattern was in. So step number 1 is having the awareness to see the pattern, having done it enough times. Step number 2 is we must take off the judgment that we have of ourselves doing the pattern. And number 3, when that happens, we have a more compassionate view of ourselves. And so number 3, of course, is then taking a new action, deciding differently and taking new actions. Have an absolutely fantastic day when you watch this. Look forward to talking to you again next time. Thank you so much.